Managing personal finances can feel overwhelming, with constant questions about saving, spending, investing, and handling emergencies. In this chaos, Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, shines as a trusted source of financial wisdom. With a net worth over $100 billion, his strategies for building wealth are legendary. Buffett's principles help us navigate common challenges like balancing short-term wants with long-term goals, avoiding risky investments, and creating practical budgets. Temptations to overspend often leave savings neglected and finances strained. In such moments, Buffett's timeless advice serves as a reliable guide to not just survive but thrive financially. Here are 7 key principles to follow. 1. Prioritize saving. Warren Buffett's first principle, beautifully summarized in his quote, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving," calls for a fundamental shift in how we approach money. Instead of treating savings as an afterthought, whatever is left over after indulging ourselves, Buffett insists that saving must take priority. He emphasizes making savings a non-negotiable part of our financial routine, regardless of income level. This mindset encourages prioritizing our future selves, ensuring we're prepared for life's later stages, like retirement, without financial stress. To put this principle into action, set aside a portion of your income the moment it hits your account. Treat this amount as a fixed expense, just like rent or utilities, making it an unmissable step toward long-term financial security. 2. Build an emergency fund. Warren Buffett highlights the importance of having a rainy day fund, emphasizing the value of being prepared during tough times. A savings fund not only protects against unexpected challenges like job loss, medical emergencies, or sudden repairs but also allows you to take advantage of new opportunities. To start, set aside enough to cover 1 month's expenses. Gradually increase this amount until you have at least 6 months' worth saved, providing a strong safety net and peace of mind for life's uncertainties. 3. Creating a budget. Budgeting is a key part of any responsible financial plan and should be treated as such. Warren Buffett warns, if you buy things you do not need, soon you will have to sell things you need, highlighting the consequences of unchecked spending. A budget is more than a list of income and expenses, it's a roadmap guiding us toward our financial goals. It helps us distinguish between wants and needs, preventing wasteful spending and providing clarity about where our money goes. The aim isn't to live a life of deprivation but to make informed decisions that balance financial stability with enjoying life. The first step is to create a spending plan that aligns with your financial goals while allowing room for enjoyment, ensuring that the journey to financial security remains fulfilling. 4. Pay off your debt. Warren Buffett offers simple yet powerful advice for tackling debt. If you find yourself in a hole, the first thing to do is stop digging. This highlights the urgency of breaking free from the burdens of debt, particularly high-interest debt that can quickly drain financial resources. Eliminating debt is essential to stop financial losses and lay the foundation for building wealth. Start by listing all debts, prioritizing those with the highest interest rates for repayment. Strategies like the debt snowball or debt avalanche, along with guidance from a financial expert, can help streamline the process. The goal isn't just financial independence, it's freedom from the constant stress and anxiety that debt brings, allowing you to focus on achieving long-term financial security. 5. Investing. Warren Buffett strongly advocates for investing and suggests allocating at least 20% of your income for this purpose. He beautifully encapsulates this idea with his famous quote, "Someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago." Investing is much like planting seeds for a prosperous future, harnessing the power of compounding to grow wealth over time. For beginners, starting with low-risk investment options is a practical approach. As confidence and knowledge grow, exploring a wider range of opportunities becomes more feasible. The key is to stay informed, practice patience, and understand that investing is a long-term commitment. 6. Create a spending plan. Buffett's approach to budgeting aligns with his belief that you must take control of your time and life, which starts by saying no. He emphasizes the importance of having a spending plan to stay on track toward achieving your financial goals. A well-structured budget ensures resources are used wisely, helping you avoid impulsive purchases that could divert you from your path. Define your financial goals and allocate resources accordingly, balancing your needs with your aspirations. It's important to maintain flexibility, allowing adjustments as your personal and professional circumstances evolve. 7. Always retain cash. Warren Buffett compares cash to oxygen, saying it's something we don't think about when it's available, but it becomes all-consuming when it's gone. Liquid assets act as a crucial financial buffer, providing flexibility to handle unforeseen expenses and seize unexpected opportunities. While investing is essential, putting all your cash into investments can leave you without the liquidity needed to manage emergencies. Therefore, maintaining a certain level of liquid assets is vital for financial stability. 8. Outsourcing. Warren Buffett strongly advocates focusing on your strengths rather than your weaknesses and suggests delegating tasks outside your area of expertise. He argues that the key difference between successful people and truly successful people is that the latter are skilled at saying no to almost everything. By outsourcing work, you can free up time and resources to concentrate on activities that offer the greatest return on investment. This approach also applies to areas like finance, where specialist skills may be needed, such as tax preparation or investment management. Begin by identifying tasks that consume too much of your time or cause stress, then consider delegating these responsibilities to others who are better equipped. This not only simplifies time management but also ensures tasks are handled effectively. If you found this video useful, be sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications to not miss our future uploads. See you in the next video.